Welcome to the Deep Dive by Outlier, where we uncover the market's hidden trends and give you the edge you need. Head on over to ovtlyr.com right now to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. Now let's jump right in.
All right, so let's dive into SoftBank's earnings report. I know earnings reports aren't always the most thrilling thing.
Yeah.
But this one is different. Trust me.
Yeah, this one's pretty interesting.
Yeah, this is about a company betting big on the future, and the future is AI. We're going to be looking at a CNBC article about it.
Yeah, and the CEO, Masayoshi-san, he's known for making some pretty bold predictions about AI.
Yeah, like really bold predictions. And it looks like he's putting his money where his mouth is. Just look at their vision fund. It just made a huge profit.
Yeah, a gigantic profit.
608 billion yen.
Almost $4 billion.
It's their tech investment arm, you know?
It's like a giant venture capital fund, but they only invest in companies that are really pushing the boundaries.
Yeah, companies try to revolutionize things.
Yeah, exactly.
And the vision fund.
It's had some ups and downs.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
They lost a lot last quarter.
Yeah. But this turnaround,
it's a big deal.
it's a statement.
Yeah, they're not just interested in AI. They're all in the...
So where's all this profit coming from? You might think it's ARM Holdings.
Yeah.
You know, the chip designer, they just went public.
The IPO definitely helped.
Oh, yeah, it helped.
Yeah.
But it's not the whole story.
Right. There are other companies, too.
Like Coupang.
In South Korea.
And DD Global.
In China.
But we need to zoom out a little.
Yeah, look at the bigger picture.
What's the bigger picture?
I think it's about SoftBank. Trying to be a leader in the AI revolution.
Yeah, like they're not just investing in AI companies. They're building an entire AI ecosystem.
Exactly.
And that's where things get really interesting. Masayoshi-san.
He's been saying some pretty wild stuff about AI.
Like what?
Like NVIDIA,
Yeah.
the company that makes those super powerful AI chips. He says they're undervalued.
Undervalued, but their market cap is huge.
I know, right? But that's fun for you.
Always thinking differently. What else he's been saying?
Well, he's also predicted that AI will be 10,000 times smarter than humans in 10 years.
10,000 times.
Yeah.
That's a lot. So do you think he actually believes that, or is he just trying to get attention?
I think he believes it.
Wow. And to prove it,
Yeah.
they're investing $500 million in OpenAI.
The company behind ChatGPT.
That's a lot of money.
It is. But OpenAI is doing some amazing things with generative AI.
Yeah, they are.
And this investment. It shows where SoftBank thinks the future of AI is going.
They're betting on companies that could change everything.
Absolutely.
So what does this all mean for you? We're seeing a huge shift towards an AI-driven world. If AI becomes as powerful as some people say,
Like 10,000 times smarter than humans.
yeah, how will that change your life?
Will it be a good thing or a bad thing?
Will it help us or will it replace us?
I think it's important to be realistic about AI.
Yeah, we need to think critically about it. It's not all sunshine and rainbows.
But it's not all doom and gloom either.
We need to have conversations about AI.
We need to understand the potential benefits and risks.
And we need to decide how we want AI to shape our future.
We can't just sit back and let it happen.
We need to be active participants.
And that brings up another question.
What about governments?
What role should they play in regulating AI?
It's a big question.
AI could impact so many things. Healthcare, education, national security, privacy.
There's a lot of debate about this.
Some people want strict regulations.
Others think the government should stay out of it.
It's a tough balance.
We need to make sure AI benefits everyone.
Not just a select few.
And we need to make sure it doesn't make existing inequalities worse.
Yeah, we need to build a future where everyone can thrive.
Yeah, it's a tough one for sure. But AI is here to stay. It's only going to get bigger. And SoftBank's bet, it's a sign of things to come.
Yeah, other big investors are taking notice too.
They're starting to see the potential of AI.
And they want a piece of the pie.
It's like a gold rush, but for AI.
Exactly.
Some companies will win big.
And some will lose.
So where do you fit in?
That's the question everyone needs to be asking themselves.
How can we use AI to our advantage?
And how can we adapt to a world where AI is everywhere?
We need to start thinking about these things now.
Before it's too late.
So let's wrap this up with one final question. Do you think SoftBank is right? Is AI going to change the world that much?
What do you think?
Are you ready for the AI revolution?
Because it's coming, whether we're ready or not.
So keep thinking about these things. Keep learning about AI.
Stay curious.
And keep an open mind.
The world is changing fast.
And AI is a big part of that change. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into SoftBank and AI. We hope you learned something new, and we hope you'll keep exploring this fascinating topic.
Yeah, there's a lot more to learn.
And a lot more to discuss. Until next time, keep diving deep.
Hey, thanks so much for deep diving with us today. Head on over to outlier.com. That's ovtlyr.com to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. And we'll see you next time.